Welcome to How to Make a Bubble Map with Mr. Barch. Alright, so here's a picture of a guy. He's got a glabella. Right here is the glabella. I can't draw an arrow, but patience. Okay, there's the glabella. Alrighty, it's on your frontal bone. We're going to use this structure right here, this visual structure called the structure of the week, I guess, bubble map, to compare it to three other structures and to use relative terms. Okay? So it's a rather straightforward process. Okay? Take the glabella and we're going to put it in the middle bubble. And we're going to compare it to three other structures. We're going to use terms like inferior, superior, lateral, medial, distal, proximal, all the terms that we learn, anterior, posterior, all the terms that we've learned in class that are relative terms. And we're always going to compare the inside, in this case the glabella, to the outside. Okay, so the glabella is inferior to the crown of your head. Okay? Right there. Or your hairline. You know, most people don't have hair growing out of their forehead, so it's inferior to that. It is superior to a whole bunch of things. Let's just keep it simple. Let's say to your nasal region, which would be your nose. Okay? And the glabella is not really lateral to anything. So that was like a terrible choice of words. So I'm going to use its opposite, medial. Okay? Because medial means closer to the middle. Lateral means towards the outside. Since the glabella is in the middle of your body, middle of your forehead, lateral doesn't really work. So we're going to say the glabella is medial to your ears. And there, you just completed a bubble map. And just remember, with the bubble map, we're always comparing the inside structure, which is usually the structure of the week, to the outside structure. Okay? And we're going to use terms like inferior, superior, anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, or proximal and distal. Those are the terms we're going to use. Now, when you're done with this, you can look at this, and really you can get three sentences out of this, right? You can get that the glabella is inferior to the crown of your head. Okay? You can say that the glabella is medial to your ears. And you can say that the glabella is superior to your nasal region. Three sentences right there. You're halfway through a paragraph about writing about something. All right, so good job. There it is. Okay, so here's the glabella. Right? We learned that. It's in the middle of your forehead. It's on your frontal bone. It's above your eyes. It's between your ears. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to really memorize this glabella. We're going to use it in what we call a bubble map.